What are you doing? Hannah, come. Say hi.
Hi.
No, flying kiss. Wow, so cute.
Hi.
Beautiful. Punta lang sa amin. Sige, wait. Gusto mo mag-picture lang kita?
Saglit lang, mag-video muna ako para sa aking We are here, Yubo birthday. And then, yes. Now, here we celebrate here in this restaurant. Now, the kids is enjoying. This is our date, Saturday. Yubo birthday. Oh, now. Smile. Ipasa mo sa akin, ha? Oh, smile, kids. Sophia, down your hands. Oh, smile to Tita Jane.
Oh, look at here.
Smile both. Now, picture. Yan, oh. This, I will show you, ha? Clips, guys. This is the hotel. Very quiet. Actually, in the backside, that is all residents there. But it's very quiet. There is the slide for kids. Here the design. And then, I think time check is 8 o'clock. We're still here. And then there, the restaurant is there. We are in the other side in the hallway. And then here, the name is The Yellow. Very big so that the kids can run away. Oh, see here. Happy birthday, Yubo! Oh, no. Running all. Where does Yubo? We'll check there. The guy. The birthday boy. Oh, slowly, ha? Slowly. You go slowly. Here, this is Sophia, this side. Hi. Oh, slowly. Yubo, where are you?
What you saying?
Yubo, where are you? Happy birthday. Say thank you, Tita. Yubo, look, Tita. Yubo, happy birthday.
Yubo.
Thank you.
Yubo.
Yubo, it's here. This is Kuya Yushan.
Look for the football. Yubo.
The kids is very, here outside, guys. The kids is too much noisy. Oh my God. Oh, ayan, guys. Ayun, mga kids. Because they have a slide here. And then, slowly, slowly. Where slide here? Oh, slide down. Oh my God, Sophia here. Yeah. Oh, there's a seesaw. Oh, you sit down. You sit down here. You want? Oh, Yubo. Sit down with Sophia, Yubo.
Let's go.
Wow.
Me, Mommy, you cannot.
You can do it. Oh. Wow. Good job. Enough, you feel dizzy. Bayo, baby, you feel dizzy. Oh, now seesaw. You feel this, or you feel? You feel this, oh, now Yubo. Oy, careful, Yubo, you fall down. Oh, Hannah, ano? Oh, sit down now, sit down. Where you go? Hannah, you said basnos, oh. Kiyon na, la kiyon na. Dakiyon na. Unsa, kiyon na. Kay Sophia kay. Sophia aw. Oh, mati. La Kathleen. Agoy, my God. Ni ambak na. Wala sa. Oh, wow, Kathleen. Wow. Yay! Good job.
तुम्ही सधैँ अनुवाला प्याक लेख्यो पहिला त्यो कारणले यो तिमी यो कारणले गर्दा फेरि यो एक्टिभेट यो एक्टिभ गरेपछि बल्ल आउनु हुन्छ अहिले खुल्दैन If the data pack is over and you are the on user, please buy data pack by dialing #internet search. They will know.
Pwede kini mana?
Yeah, direct on the film accept immigration. All the data on immigration accept by pack one system there.
Anna, you're out. Out. Yeah, out si Anna. Out. Yubo birthday. Sophia. You go, you play, Sophia. They have a game. Si Tito Doc, wala na ginawa.
Okay, in the box.
Ang miyos dito. Aming maganda, Rihanna. Sophia, you join there. You bring baby Kathleen.
Okay, listen, hey, kids, listen, hey. If you will not follow, you will be out. When I say in, you should be in. Out, then out. Okay? And this side will be going out that side.
Ah,
This side
Sophia,
will out.
in, out.
Okay? Right? This line out is that side. Okay? If I say out,
This line versus this line.
no, not like that. There will be only one winner. Okay? If I say in, then you should be in your box. If I say out, then you should be out. Okay? Everybody understand? Okay. Let's see. I'm not looking. In.
Guys, kumusta kayo? Guys, magawa tayo ng barbecue. Dito sa Nepal, guys, ito, jeer ang gagamitin namin. Tapos, ito lang siya. Para na may turmeric. So, ang daming mix-mix siya, guys. Kaya, gawa tayo ng barbecue na oink-oink. Or meron ding, depende kung anong gusto nyo, guys, ito. Minamarinate na to ng aking asawa. Matagal na itong minamarinate. Mga, I think, 4 hours na marination. Ito siya. Tapos, mag-ihaw-ihaw doon sa labas. Nakakamiss kayo ang, yung Philippines barbecue. There is something, lot of the barbecues in Philippines, especially in Cebu. But we'll try this one. See, it's nice. And then, it's so yummy. Sophia, guys, she love to eat this one. Alright. It's very sharp lang talaga siya. Grabe, talagang. In Philippines, we'll use it by stick. Like a wooden stick. But here, we are using like a metal one. Metal, siya. Ang tawag nito is jeer. We call this here in Nepal is jeer. That's why it's a jeer. Diba? Kantan tayo, guys. Sarap to ihaw, guys. I miss lechon. Lechon, guys, in Philippines. Gawa tayo ng 7. And then I already put the another one. Which is the bow. Now I'm making this the another. But if you want also, you can make it chicken. And then we put like a pickles or chutney here. We're calling. Lots of ingredient is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only, we keep it 4. And then this one still will make it Let me finish, guys, so that you will see. Then later we can make it on fire. But I already make it, guys. Don't worry, guys. But I miss in Philippines, guys. You know what? The lot of food in Philippines, like dessert, whatever we have. That is the one I miss it. But anyway, it's nice also. Because mostly the ingredients we don't have here in Nepal, like a Filipino, another recipe we don't have. We need to do by yourself or whatever you order. Recently, my what they call so, like uncle, he came home from Dubai. He bring me something like ingredients, and then I have like a mamacita menudo, like that, all the curry, chicken curry, whatever curry, as long curry. Diba, guys? Now it's done. This is the one, guys. Here you go. Now time to grill. And then the other one also. This is bok also, guys. We have separate. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Love you all. Keep safe. I love you. Be kind and be happy. Love you. God bless all. Thank you.